I believe that we need to reach folks from all walks of life so that we can get a true snapshot of what the key health issues are in Hancock County.
Melita Finney is the Community Health Director for the Hancock County Health Department. She, along with Ada Baer, the CEO of Memorial Hospital in Carthage, are compiling the results of a joint healthcare survey. The survey addresses a simple question: what would it take to make Hancock County healthier and a better place to live? Health issues like diabetes, obesity, and teen pregnancy will get special attention from the agencies. Ada Baer says that partnering together sends a special message to Hancock County residents.
I think it sends the message that their healthcare delivery system as a whole is paying attention to what is needed.
Both women say that the feedback from the survey will have a direct impact on the services both agencies provide.
Being able to get that feedback will help us, hopefully, to come up with additional programs and services that perhaps we're not providing.
As we look at what the key health issues are in our county, we were able to hopefully focus on those key health issues to write specific grants for those areas.
The future of healthcare in Hancock County will be built on a foundation of partnership between the hospital, the health department, and you.
15 minutes. That's all we're asking, is for you to spend 15 minutes to help us provide great care and service for you.
Stephen Johnson, KHQA News, Hancock County.